My name's Lee Starkweather, and I live in Southern California. Well, it was a multi-year project. We started by changing our wrought iron perimeter fences to the glass, and then the next step was to install the 12-foot by 12-foot pergola that I'm sitting under. And we liked it so much that about a week after we got it done, we decided to extend the patio by 5 feet and add a 12 by 16-foot pergola to the east. As soon as we finished the large 12 by 16, we ordered the 10 by 12. So we've done that in 3 steps. My wife and I are just so happy that we bought it. It's wonderful to be underneath it. We come out, we spend a lot of afternoons out here. It's pretty rough. It's December 19th and it's 71 degrees. Yesterday it was 75. So we do a lot of outdoor time because we have a lot of family dinners and stuff after we go swimming. And I thought it'd be really nice to have something here on the deck. And the more I researched, the more I felt like I didn't want wood because of the constant maintenance, that you stain it, looks beautiful, and then it weathers. So I decided that I'd look for a metal pergola. Well, I started online and I found everything from the really inexpensive ones like at Costco, and they didn't have the size I wanted, but I'm a retired engineer, so I read the specs, and on their spec it said that if the winds are forecast to get over 60 miles an hour, you should take all the rotatable slats out so they don't fly out. And I thought, I don't want to think about going up there. I want something that's engineered to hold up winds. I want it to be windproof, and I want it to be so I don't have to do anything at all, not even worry about it if I'm not home and the winds go real high, because these are rated for 130 mile per hour winds. There are some companies that custom cut and custom build, and they get very expensive very fast. The fact that Luxury Pergola sells this as a kit and I can install it myself, choose my sizes, choose the options exactly the way I wanted it. So I was very happy I found it, and I'm very happy I didn't just order the first 1 or 2 things I looked at, because I would have been rebuilding it by now. The build process, I'm very happy with the material, I'm very happy with the instructions, and if I called with any questions, got answers right away. Very good customer service, was very happy. I think criteria 1 was the quality of, I can read the specs and see how thick the wall of the columns is, and for example, how the ends of the louvers use the molded nylon piece that doesn't take lubrication later on, won't rust, won't drip, won't have stains coming down on the side walls of the beams. When you compare the weights of a kit like this 12 by 12 to some of the other kits that say the shipping weight's a third of what this is, you understand that you're getting a lot of weight. And in aluminum, that's good. You're not putting up tin cans, you're putting up solid product. And the other thing was that I could install it myself. It's not easy to find things that are made in America anymore. I'm hoping that changes, but really like the fact, not only was it made in America, but it was made by a family-owned business. It wasn't some big corporation. Really impressed me, and I was very happy to be a purchaser of these products.